Today is 15th day. Today's topic is budget line can rotate. Second one, consumer equilibrium IC. So first of all, I am going to describe budget line can rotate. Yes, budget line can rotate if income of consumer change but price of commodity remain constant. Now I am going to describe there are four curves. First one, when budget can, first one, this is a budget line. If income of consumer increases, then budget line shifted left to right. This is a budget line. If income of consumer decreases, the budget line shifted right to left. This is a depend upon income. Next topic is if price of commodity change but income of consumer remain constant. There are four diagrams. First one, this is a budget line. A price of commodity change. A price of X commodity. Is this a Y commodity? If price of X commodities decrease, so it means consumer can get more commodity of X than budget line shifted from left to right. Second one, OXY. This is a budget line. If price of X commodity increases, then budget line shifted from right to left. Fourth one, OXY. Y commodity X. This is a budget line. If price of X commodity decrease, then budget line shifted left to right. Fourth one, this is a budget line. If price of Y commodity increases, then budget line shifted right to left. There are four diagrams which are related to price. First one, price of X commodity increase decrease. Second one, ये तो हो गया decrease, ये हो गया increase, ये हो गया decrease और ये हो गया increase. There are four diagrams of budget line which are changed due to change in price of commodity. Second one, consumer equilibrium. consumer equilibrium, IC. That point will be consumer equilibrium where IC touch या intersect budget line. That point will be consumer equilibrium where consumer get maximum satisfaction. So this is a diagram. Budget line, IC1, IC2, IC3. C point, A point, B point. C point is the equilibrium of consumer. In this point, consumer get maximum satisfaction due to where in this point IC touch budget line. So this is that point where consumer get maximum satisfaction. If the consumer get A and B point, then he will get less satisfaction. IC3 is more satisfaction than IC1, IC2, but less budget. Consumer cannot get that point where consumer touch IC3. So IC2 is at that point where IC2 touch या intersect budget line. C point is the consumer equilibrium. Thank you. Have a nice day.